it?
What?
I don't know. My hair's all woo today. Anyway. Hey guys, and welcome to my channel, Sweet Pink Home. I'm Elizabeth, and this is my beautiful daughter, Jacinda. I don't know why my head looked so big, but oh well. Anyway.
You're good.
This is our February Boxycharm review. And my hair's kind of crazy today, because, yeah, it just is. I don't know why.
Ooh, okay. I'm really hoping it'll be something Valentine's Day themed. Like pink or hearts.
Alright, let's do this.
You ready?
Whoop. Ooh.
It's pink.
What? Oh. The theme this month is Afterglow. So.
Ooh, I hope it'll be glowy then.
Ooh, glowy, glowy. I want to do this one first, because it's pink.
I think you already have that.
Better Than Sex.
Too
Faced mascara. We actually have this.
Mm-hmm.
We own this. We don't need to do a review because we know it works well. Thank you, Boxy, for reminding us. Anyway, here, Jacinda.
I will probably take this one because you already have one unless you want to.
It's $24. Look at her.
Whoa! Okay.
Who's that pretty thing looking in the mirror?
I really can't see anything.
Doing good, Jacinda.
But, eyelashes? No eyelashes. My eyelashes aren't that curled either, so it's kind of hard. But I'll do the other eye too. This mascara is like highly rated or whatever on a bunch of things, and it's $24.
Yep, $24.
And it's pink. Whoa.
What is this?
Trestique. I don't know what that means.
Prime and Glaze Lip Crayon. Ooh,
Oh.
that sounds fun.
Well, it has, the cap has like a little crayon thing, but the actual product is just like that.
I didn't want to ruin it like I did that one. That's why I gave it to you.
And then this says there's a primer inside. I don't know if you...
How do you get it out?
It's magnetized. Like, look.
Ooh.
You can't see. Ready?
Ooh. Alright. Let's see the primer. This is the primer.
Are you sure?
Yeah, it feels like it's got something on it.
Oh, yeah, that's...
So you put that on first, you prime your lips first, and then you put this on?
It just fell out. The primer just fell out. You do it.
You put this on first, right?
Mm-hmm. That's what primer is.
Like when you're priming a car, that's what I associate primer with. My daughter, on the other hand, associates primer with makeup.
This is in the shade English Rose.
The primer's clear.
And I think it's matte.
Okay.
Trestique Prime and Glaze Lip Crayon.
Ooh.
Luxurious lip smoothing primer. A shiny colored glaze on the other side.
Man, that's trippy.
It's
I like that.
$25.
Hey guys, so we're back, and let's see. What do you want to do next?
Not that. We'll do that
Not
last.
that.
It looks...
Okay, we'll do this
maybe.
oil-looking stuff. It's
Pharmacy
Clean Bee Ultra Gentle Facial Cleanser.
It's just a facial cleanser.
Mm-hmm.
Does it smell?
I'm seeing right now. Okay, what's the retail value on it?
$22.
Screw the little tab.
I'll do it.
How much is it?
$22. Oh,
Oh, that's not a good review. So, this does not smell very good.
I was expecting it to smell like honey because it's
Yeah.
clean bee, like the animal bee. A little bumblebees right there. So I was like, honey.
No, I don't know what it smells like.
It's not honey.
Not honey. Okay.
I was trying to look on it to see what it is. Turmeric.
Right,
Turmeric, chamomile.
So it's like essential oils.
Duola, aloe, and licorice root.
Ooh, definitely not honey. I think we'll wait on putting it on our face for a minute.
Yeah, it's a cleanser too. So.
Okay, the next one is no
problem primer.
Thank you. No problem primer.
Touch in Soul. It's pink. Oh, this is $22. And that's taking 3 years
pumping
to
and
pump.
nothing's coming out. Nothing's coming out. Anyway, the price on this is, oh, look at her. She pumped away and there it goes.
It's right next to the lipstick. I will blend it out on my hand.
Am I missing it?
No, it's that one right there.
Oh, okay, so it's $18.
It's very gel-like feeling. It's weird, kind of a little bit silicone-y feeling, but it definitely blurs. Like you can kind of tell. Probably not from here to down here. Can't really tell.
Yeah, it looks cool. All right.
But it blurred.
Nice. So finally, we have the one that's all wrapped up. Oh, pretty.
Pretty vulgar.
It's pretty vulgar. And it is Shimmering Swan Highlighter. Its retail value is $32, and it's super, super cute.
I'm pretty sure the first Boxycharm we got an eyeliner pot from Pretty Vulgar.
Okay, looks like Jenna's gonna have to help me open it again. Up there. Ooh, that's a pretty pink.
It's pretty pink color. You can kind of see it's I'm gonna swatch it on top of the primer. Can't really see it that well. Oh, it's right there.
It's still really pretty. Could you use it for eyeshadow?
Yeah, you can use a lot of things for eyeshadow. Did you stick your nail into it? Okay, no.
No. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed our February Boxycharm review. And my favorite, believe it or not, is this. Even though I probably wouldn't use it as a highlighter, I'd probably use it as an eyeshadow.
I'm not really into highlighters.
Yeah, I don't understand all that stuff. Anyway, Jacinda, what's your favorite?
I like this guy. Except for the fact that when you take the bottom off, this little bit fell out. I mean, it's not going to fall out now, but it did fall out. And it's...
So out of all these products, guys, let us know what your favorite is.
And if you got a different kind of Boxycharm, what did you get in yours?
Yeah. So, hopefully you guys enjoyed our video of our Boxycharm February review. And give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe. We do a review each month. We get a Boxycharm. It's something that my daughter and I enjoy together. So,